We're in Plopsaland De Panne. I'm here with Naomi.
Hello.
We're here with Jackson.
Hello.
And so you've got a pirate ship there, and one of the water and the pedlos. And this thing here looks quite whippy. A little faster than the Chesterton ones. Come on there, Jackson, we're going to get Mummy on Nubis.
Et autres objets non fixés sont strictement interdits dans l'attraction. Vous pouvez déposer vos objets personnels dans les casiers prévus.
So yeah, so this is how we're doing children's swap. We bring Jackson with us. Oh, hold my hand then. It's quite dark down there. Oh, it's all right. I got you. Under. Oh God, too old for that. Where are you going? This way. So Anubis. Wow. Oh. What a ride. Woo. Yeah, good ride. That's like a little fun fair bit, little carnival fun fair. There's a carousel over there, behind the swing chairs. You can meet and greet some characters up here. Little kiddies rides. Yeah, it's nice down there. So give it a nice little Viking area, this one. They've got little battles over there. Oh, it's nice. Why can't we have more stuff like this in the UK? Got Naomi on here. The Grot Golf La Grande Vague. Is it a coaster, isn't it? People say it's not a coaster. It's got a hump. So it's a video. Those are very nice. Did they get you? Wait for the next one.
They caught me on the head.
Did they? That's not very nice, is it?
I brought them back.
Did you?
We wensen je een goede reis. Bienvenue à bord du Plopsaland Express. Pour des raisons de sécurité, nous vous demandons de garder les mains et les jambes à l'intérieur du tram. Nous vous souhaitons un agréable voyage. De volgende halte van deze trein is Dorpsplein, Centraal Station. L'arrêt suivant de ce train sera à la place du village, gare centrale.
can't even see you.
Where's he gone? There he is on his scooter. Thinking he's cool. Are you cool, Jackson? Hmm? So the eating area is covered by a giant table and chair. How strange. It's got empty seats on it. He's enjoying. Yeah. This is cool. Oh look, we're in the volcano now, Jackson. Oh, that's awesome. All steam coming out. Ready for the first drop? Oh look, some velociraptors down there. No. Yeah, the first drop. Got away with that one. No. Oh, there's a lot of water in the bottom of this boat. You got cramp? Here we go. Oh no, it's so fun. Oh, that's not fun. That was brilliant. What a log flume. Oh, I really enjoyed that. That was awesome.
And then he pushed me, and then I went whee, and then I flied up.
You jumped, it came out your seat. Was that good?
It came out my feet.
You looking forward to this one, Jackson? Sorry? I did get pushed down, trust me. Right, this is the first for me and Mummy as well. This is our first water coaster. It's your first water coaster.
I've seen this ride.
Yeah.
What's behind the curtain? Is it a drop? Oh, we're going up. Oh, this is cool.
Oh, look at lovely stars and everything. Isn't this cool, Jackson?
Was you?
Oh my god!
We're dropping?
Yeah, we're dropping.
Oh.
We're gonna drop this thing now. What's it? Look.
Wow.
We're gonna jump into water.
What a lovely view. Oh! Oh, it's on. Oh! Wish I put my waterproof trousers on now.
That was fun.
That was really good fun.
I want to go in again.
I told you it was good, didn't I? Is that ketchup on your hand? Yeah, that was great fun.
That was
You do get wet.
I want to go again.
Maybe later.
That's cold.
You got British in the bag?
I thought I wasn't going to get that wet. How wrong can you be? Does Jackson want to go across the rope bridge then? Right, I'm going to be completely 100% honest with you. What a ride. Just had a back row ride, I've had a front row ride, and oh, wow. At front you can see everything coming at you if you're not facing backwards, but at the back you ain't got a clue what's going on. Very disorientating, but wow. Unbelievable, what a ride. So this is a little indoor area they got here, a little rock and tug over there. Some steps, it looks like it's placed little flowers so you can fly in. Little play area. It's nice, isn't it? We just had another ride on Heidi the Ride. So we rode it first thing this morning. Rode away mine train, Alton Towers. Just been on it. Faster, isn't it? Much faster, more ejector air time. I think it's got more ejector air time than Wicker Man, but Wicker Man's got more lateral movement. It's more whippy, isn't it? It's definitely more whippy. So yeah, check out the POVs of morning and evening rides on Heidi the Ride. Honestly, so much better when it's warmed up. So here we go. I think we're going to wrap it up now as well here from Plopsaland. So your thoughts on Plopsaland?
Very nice.
Yeah?
Lovely feeling.
Yeah. Best rides of the park for you, Jackson?
Drop ride.
The drop water ride, Super Splash. Okay. Yeah, so we're going to wrap it up. Jackson's favourite ride is Super Splash.
The one spinning around.
One spinning around.
In the house.
In the house.
And my tummy goes.
It made your tummy go at the end, didn't it? It was super fast, and we didn't really get that wet on it. Got wetter on Dino Splash. Yeah, I got squirted. I don't know whether these two did, but yeah. But Heidi Ride, a lot better in the afternoon. Probably it's going to be my third favourite coaster here. Anubis, lovely surprise at the beginning, but
Daddy,
I do have a new number one ride.
dragon shop there.
Yeah, we can have a look in the Dragon Shop in a minute. Yeah, but Ride into Happiness, hands down, my favourite coaster of all time.
Can I have my car?
Brilliant ride. Just every time you go on it, it's something different. Front, back, middle, front row, you can see what's coming at you. At the back, you can't. So, riding to Happiness is amazing. But we're going to wrap this up. So, what should the boys and girls do, Jackson?
I like them slide and the videos and like.
Okay then.